BW'ENSE ya Kenya William Ruto kubotoka enkwana yae hase omoiga oreganetigwe ritukuri goro guchengere myaka 15 noyomo ikatiba enya mwaka w'echirubere na 10 na gosaba Amaabera gochiase bari bonsi babwateranigwe nebikore byaenekiwe n'abanyanyimbo na bigo ogosiria amagimo kwa bana inji chinga kichokorobekana nigo ritukuri yarero ebiombe ao byokogerera obuene bw'omanyabantu byesokire na komocha enkwana y'omorai BW'ENSE ase bono batebire Amaabera ka Teisaini serikali nige bwente kogenda bosio na kobeka ebitambokero birachikokonya buna abananchi birachikokonya abananchi bonsi abo babwatranetigwe nebikore ebyo bye serikali na bari basiritie amagimabo konyora bare obuene bwa.
Since Ruto's administration came to power, human rights organizations have documented at least 536 cases of extrajudicial police killings, 111 cases of enforced disappearances and abductions. Separately, KNCHR has documented 661 arbitrary detention, abductions, and enforced disappearances in just the period of December 2024 to 2025 December.
So let us ask plainly, William Ruto, would you call for investigations into use of excessive and lethal force? Are you also asking that your own conduct, directives, public statements, and decisions be investigated? Will the investigations examine the chain of command? Will it examine who authorized the deployment of officers? Will it examine who gave the instructions on the use of force?
The victims and survivors of state violence are tired of speeches. We are tired of condolences without accountability. We are tired of commissions without consequences. We are tired of investigations without prosecutions.
The government should immediately and forthwith free Macmillan Kiarie, Evans Otieno, Michael Olo, and Abdulaziz Zizu. We know you have them. You know where you have put them. It is now more than 90 days. These families are suffering. They are crying. We have moved the court in a habeas corpus application. The matter is proceeding. Please, Mr. Ruto, release these Kenyans.